Welcome. Today, we're diving into the concept of the trial work period, a vital safety net for individuals receiving Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSDI. If you're considering returning to work but worry about losing your benefits, the trial work period is designed to help. It allows you to test your ability to work for a limited time without risking your SSDI payments. In this video, we'll break down what the trial work period is, how it works, and why it's such an important protection for those navigating the transition back to employment. Let's get started by understanding the basics. Before we get into the specifics of the trial work period, let's quickly review what SSDI is. Social Security Disability Insurance is a federal program that provides financial support to people who are unable to work due to a qualifying disability. To receive SSDI, you must have worked and paid Social Security taxes for a certain period. The benefits help cover basic living expenses when you can't earn a regular income. Understanding SSDI is crucial because the trial work period is a feature built into this program to encourage recipients to try working again without fear. Many people receiving SSDI want to return to work but are afraid that even a short attempt could cause them to lose their benefits permanently. The trial work period was created to address this concern. It gives you a chance to test your ability to work without the immediate risk of losing your SSDI payments. This safety net encourages people to explore employment opportunities, build confidence, and make informed decisions about their future, all while maintaining financial security during the transition. So, what exactly is a trial work period? In simple terms, it's a set period during which you can work and earn income while still receiving your full SSDI benefits. The Social Security Administration, or SSA, allows you to work for up to 9 months within a rolling 60-month window. During these months, you can earn as much as you want. There's no cap on your earnings for the purpose of the trial work period. This unique feature is designed to remove barriers and encourage people to try working again. The trial work period lasts for 9 months, but these months don't have to be consecutive. Instead, the SSA tracks your work activity over a rolling 60-month or 5-year period. Any month in which your earnings exceed a certain threshold counts as a trial work month. Once you've used up 9 such months within that 5-year window, your trial work period ends. This flexible approach allows you to spread out your work attempts as needed. Each year, the SSA sets an earnings threshold to determine what counts as a trial work month. If you earn more than this amount in a given month, that month is counted towards your 9-month limit. For example, in 2024, the threshold is $1,110. If you earn less than this, the month doesn't count. This system ensures that only significant work attempts are counted, giving you more flexibility and control over your return to work. The Social Security Administration keeps track of your earnings through your wage reports. It's important to report your income accurately and on time. Each month you exceed the threshold, the SSA marks it as a trial work month. The process is straightforward, but staying organized with your pay stubs and records will help ensure there are no surprises. Accurate reporting protects your benefits and keeps your trial work period on track. Once you've completed your 9 trial work months, you enter a new phase called the extended period of eligibility. During this time, your SSDI benefits can continue, but there are new rules about how much you can earn. The SSA will look at your monthly earnings to determine if you're engaging in what's called substantial gainful activity. If your earnings are below a certain level, you'll keep receiving benefits. If they're above, your benefits may stop. Substantial gainful activity, or SGA, is a key concept after your trial work period ends. The SSA sets a monthly earnings limit. If you earn more than this, you're considered able to engage in SGA, and your SSDI benefits may stop. For 2024, the SGA limit is $1,550 per month for non-blind individuals. This rule ensures that benefits are reserved for those who truly need them, while still encouraging work when possible. The Extended Period of Eligibility, or EPE, lasts for 36 months after your trial work period ends. During this time, you can still receive SSDI benefits for any month your earnings fall below the SGA level. If you go above the SGA limit, your benefits may be suspended, but not terminated. This means you have a safety net as you adjust to working, and you can regain benefits if your earnings drop again within the EPE. If you try working during your trial work period but find that your disability prevents you from continuing, don't worry. Your SSDI benefits will continue as long as you haven't exceeded the 9-month limit. Even after the trial work period, if your earnings drop below the SGA level during the EPE, your benefits can be reinstated. This flexibility is a core part of the protection the trial work period offers. The main purpose of the trial work period is protection. It allows you to explore employment without the fear of losing your SSDI benefits right away. You can try different jobs, work part-time or full-time, and see what's possible for you. If things don't work out, you still have your benefits to fall back on. This protection gives you the confidence to take steps toward independence and self-sufficiency. To make the most of your trial work period, it's essential to report your earnings to the SSA every month. This includes wages, self-employment income, and the value of certain non-cash items. Timely and accurate reporting ensures your benefits are calculated correctly and prevents overpayments or interruptions. The SSA provides several ways to report, including online, by phone, or by mail. Good record keeping is crucial during your trial work period. Save your pay stubs, bank statements, and any correspondence with your employer or the SSA. These documents can help resolve any questions about your earnings or work activity. Organized records also make it easier to track your progress and ensure you're staying within the rules of the program. If you're self-employed, the trial work period rules still apply, but the SSA may look at both your earnings and the number of hours you work. They'll consider whether your work activity shows you're able to engage in substantial gainful activity. It's important to keep detailed records of your business income and hours worked, and to report this information accurately to the SSA. People use the trial work period to try all sorts of jobs. Some return to their previous careers, while others explore new fields or part-time work. Examples include office jobs, retail positions, freelance work, or even starting a small business. The key is that you have the freedom to experiment and find what works best for your abilities and interests. Starting your trial work period is simple. Once you begin working and your earnings exceed the SSA's monthly threshold, your trial work period begins automatically. There's no need to apply separately. Just remember to report your earnings each month, and the SSA will keep track of your progress. If you're unsure about the process, you can contact the SSA for guidance. If you have more than one job during your trial work period, the SSA will add up your total monthly earnings to determine if you exceed the threshold. It doesn't matter where the income comes from. What counts is the total amount you earn in a month. Be sure to report all sources of income to avoid any confusion or issues with your benefits. It's important to know that participating in a trial work period does not trigger a medical review by itself. The SSA conducts periodic medical reviews for all SSDI recipients, but working during your trial work period won't automatically cause one. However, if your medical condition improves significantly, you should report this to the SSA as well. The trial work period only affects your SSDI benefits. If you receive other types of assistance, such as supplemental security income, SSI, or Medicaid, different rules may apply. It's important to check with each program to understand how working might impact your eligibility or benefit amounts. If your earnings go above the SGA limit after your trial work period, your SSDI benefits may be suspended. However, you're not immediately cut off. If your earnings drop below the SGA level within the extended period of eligibility, your benefits can be reinstated without a new application. This provides a valuable safety net as you adjust to working. If your benefits stop because you earn above the SGA limit, but you later find you can't work due to your disability, you may qualify for expedited reinstatement. This allows you to quickly regain your SSDI benefits without starting the application process from scratch. You must request reinstatement within 5 years of your benefits stopping. To request expedited reinstatement, contact the SSA and explain your situation. You'll need to show that your disability has prevented you from working at the SGA level again. While your application is reviewed, you may receive provisional benefits for up to 6 months. This process helps you avoid long gaps in support while your eligibility is determined. Many people worry about losing health insurance when returning to work. The good news is that during your trial work period and extended period of eligibility, you can usually keep your Medicare coverage. Even if your SSDI benefits stop, there are programs that may allow you to continue Medicare for a time, providing important peace of mind. Employers are often supportive of the trial work period, as it allows employees to transition back to work gradually. Some companies even have programs or accommodations in place to help employees with disabilities succeed. Open communication with your employer about your needs and goals can make the process smoother and more successful. There are several misconceptions about the trial work period. Some people think that working even a little will immediately end their benefits, or that the rules are too complicated to navigate. In reality, the program is designed to be flexible and supportive, with clear guidelines and protections in place. Understanding the facts can help you make informed decisions about your future. Not everyone receiving disability benefits qualifies for a trial work period. It's only available to those on SSDI, not SSI. You must also still be considered disabled by the SSA and meet all other program requirements. If you're unsure about your eligibility, contact the SSA or a benefits counselor for guidance. Preparation is key to making the most of your trial work period. Start by learning the rules, setting realistic work goals, and organizing your records. Talk to your healthcare provider and employer about your plans. And consider working with a benefits counselor. Being proactive will help you navigate the process with confidence. Benefits counselors are professionals trained to help you understand your rights and options under SSDI and the trial work period. They can explain the rules, help you plan your return to work, and assist with reporting and paperwork. Working with a counselor can make the process less stressful and more successful. Vocational rehabilitation programs can be a valuable resource during your trial work period. These programs offer job training, counseling, and support to help you succeed in the workplace. Many are free or low cost and are designed specifically for people with disabilities. Taking advantage of these services can boost your confidence and skills. The Ticket to Work program is another resource for SSDI recipients. It provides free employment services, including career counseling, job placement, and ongoing support. Participating in Ticket to Work is voluntary and can help you make the most of your trial work period by connecting you with employers and training opportunities. Many people have used the trial work period to successfully transition back to work. Some have returned to their previous careers, while others have discovered new passions and opportunities. These success stories highlight the value of the program and show that with the right support, it's possible to achieve greater independence and financial stability. While the trial work period offers many protections, it's not without challenges. You may face uncertainty about your health, changes in your routine, or anxiety about losing benefits. It's important to seek support from family, friends, and professionals, and to remember that the program is designed to help you succeed, not to penalize you for trying. To make your trial work period a success, set realistic goals, communicate openly with your employer, and stay organized with your records. Take advantage of available resources such as benefits, counselors, and vocational programs. Most importantly, be patient with yourself as you adjust to working again. Every step forward is progress. If you have questions about the trial work period, don't hesitate to reach out for help. The SSA offers information online and by phone, and benefits counselors can provide personalized guidance. Getting answers to your questions will help you feel more confident and prepared as you move forward. Working during your trial work period means you'll need to pay taxes on your earnings, just like any other employee. Be sure to keep track of your income and withholdings, and consider consulting a tax professional if you have questions. Understanding your tax obligations will help you avoid surprises at tax time. Returning to work can affect your family in many ways. It may mean changes in your daily routine, income, and even your sense of independence. Talk openly with your family about your goals and concerns, and involve them in your planning. Their support can make the transition smoother and more successful. The process of returning to work can be stressful, especially if you're managing a disability. Pay attention to your mental health and seek support if you need it. Many communities offer counseling and peer support groups for people with disabilities. Taking care of your mental well-being is just as important as managing your physical health. As you move through your trial work period, think about your long-term goals. Do you want to return to full-time work, or is part-time more realistic? What kind of work environment suits you best? Planning ahead will help you make the most of the program and set yourself up for lasting success. If you're nearing retirement age, your trial work period can still be valuable. It allows you to test your ability to work before making decisions about retirement benefits. The SSA coordinates SSDI and retirement benefits, so understanding your options can help you maximize your financial security as you age. Some people use the trial work period as a time to return to school or pursue new training. Education can open doors to new careers and greater independence. If you're considering this path, talk to your benefits counselor about how school attendance may affect your benefits and work plans. There are many community resources available to help you during your trial work period. Local disability organizations, job centers, and support groups can provide information, training, and encouragement. Connecting with others who have gone through the process can be especially helpful. Technology can make returning to work easier. From assistive devices to remote work options, there are many tools that can help you succeed. Explore what's available and talk to your employer or counselor about accommodations that might make your job more accessible and comfortable. Let's recap what we've learned about the trial work period. It's a special program that allows SSDI recipients to test their ability to work without risking their benefits. The 9-month period is flexible, and there are many protections in place to support you. With good planning, support, and the right resources, you can use the trial work period to move toward greater independence and financial stability. If you're thinking about returning to work, remember that the trial work period is there to protect you. Take your time, gather information, and reach out for support when you need it. With the right approach, you can explore new opportunities, build confidence, and take positive steps towards your goals. The path may not always be easy, but you don't have to walk it alone.